is Grassy and welcome to Script Mechanic. Workshop Showcase. Yeah. So today I will be showing off, this is a 69 Chevy for the off-road, as you can tell by the wow long suspension. Says, let's face it, train stuff, blah blah blah, by Dr. Swag. Yep, he wants you to check out his other creations. I respect that wish. Wait, that bike that I'm holding on to. What the hell? The lights. Okay. Who needs lights? Door. Close. Door. Hello? Door. Door! Close! No? Fine. Okay, so I'm going to have to admit it. Wow, this is amazing. But the bike is mine. That is my bike. That bike belongs to me. So I'm likely not to actually show off very many of my— oh my god. Like, not even affected by these. Strict follow camera in first person, so of course it also gets point for amazing first person. Yeah, but the bike's mine. This is my own creation. That will potentially just be today's way of traveling. Because bikes are awesome. Okay, so what do I think? I think this will get— okay, now I have to put it up to the true test. Because the true test, let's be honest. Flick the switch. Oh, wow. Look at this. That's a pain in the butt. Okay. Yes, I want to see if I can get my bike in it. Somehow. Figure out how to do that. Oh, there we go. Thank you. Okay, now open that up. I wonder how he got it to could handle terrain this well, because, like, that is honestly amazing. How well this thing handles terrain. Like, okay, can I, like, drop these down? We have to try this now. Come on. Get out of the ground! Look, I know you love the ground, but you have to get out. Thank you. Oh, I bet these at 1, they still work. Like 6 is really... okay. Now, close that door. Yay! It works! I can carry my bike around. Whee! Okay. So now that I've gotten that to work, let us delete this. Okay. So our next creation is a MH6 Little Bird. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, this is my second, actually. Out of its type of helicopter, I guess I should say, this is definitely my favorite. I think I do like the Osprey a bit more, because Ospreys are awesome. But, yeah. Schwinn? Well, it's Schwinn, but it's spelled with a E-I-N. Oh, dude! Wow, he did an amazing job with, wow, the realism, too, like, dude, you are incredible. Oh, and he's got a gimbal in there! Where'd he put the gimbal? Oh, he's got a gimbal in that box at the end, so it gimbals. Oh my god. Wow. That's incredible. Okay, so... Windows! Thank you. Okay. Okay, so I think this is going to inspire me quite well, actually. To, my next build's gonna be my helicopter. Because I've got a helicopter. So I'm trying to make a video, actually, about where, in the video I'm making a, something that gimbals like that. Like with the gimbal glitch he's got in here. I have to see how he did it, though. Because that's super cool. Because I made a helicopter myself. I'm going to tell you all right now. Oh. This is a way more complicated system than I was definitely imagining. Okay. So I'm just gonna completely uncover all of this. I want to see what happens when you... Okay. Okay. So he's got all of that. And then in here... Oh. Wow, he's made a really complicated gimbal system. Oh. Wow. That's incredible. Okay, dude, I have to give you great big fat thumbs up for that. That's amazing. Okay. So our next creation is a thing by Doge Lord, which is the best because Doge. I mean, Doge. Anyway, okay. Keys. It says door horn, blah blah blah. Okay. Easy enough. Okay. Let us ride a bus. Does this bus have one of those bike racks on the front? No. Oh. Well, maybe I can still load a bike up in it. Nah, I don't think that's a big enough door. Nah, I can't put a bike in here. Okay. Okay. Look at this. Wow. He is something incredible. He used... Oh, yeah, right. This works like a bus. He used a glitch weld. He glitch welded two angle pieces into blocks to make windows that one looked like this. Or no, he didn't glitch weld those. Okay. He totally should have. Wow. But yeah, he glitch welded two of those slabs together to create that. Oh my god. I can't hear my horn. I have my sound turned off. Oh shoot. And his steering. Oh. I think I know what he did. He did two bearings, didn't he? Yeah, he did two bearings, so it turns extra. Okay. Now, of course, because this is what us folks have to do. There we go. Sorry, dude, I totally love your creation. Like, I am honestly... Everything I've ever done, even my best creations, are put to shame by this. But I have to completely screw it over, because... Oh, pfft. Nice. Look at what I did to the wheel. I'm sorry, dude. I really am. I think. And like, okay, the attention to detail, right? You've got the little coin thing where you put in the coin and it registers and it gives you the little thingy bobber. He glitch welded that in there so that you've got those seats, and then he's got all of these on the top, the little pulley things. He made that at just the perfect slope. Each of these seats are painted. Some of these seats are elevated. They've got the stuff underneath them. He did backward signs. Yeah, where the wheels are. Wow, dude. I really have to applaud you on this, man. I know you probably aren't watching this, because, like, my most popular video is, like, 7 views right now, but, like, I really do have to applaud you on this. And then, our last thing is the Pocket Trike by Lord Payne. He has a YouTube. That right there. Yeah. You can go pause and check that out if you really badly want to. Or you can just check out his creation, too. I mean, be extra nice, man. Oh my. Oh, this steering. Oh. Oh, it's got lights. And it jiggles. You know I like it when it jiggles. Ugh, God. Oh, wow. 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 That... Okay, I have to point this out. Look at his steering mechanism. Look at how that steers. It, like, moves your car. It adds this, like, really cool gimbal. What is it with the sudden gimbal, like, thing? Oh, man. This is incredible. This is just amazing to ride. Oh, okay. Everybody has to go check this out. This is honestly amazing. 10 out of 10. Would Pocket Trike again. Amazing first person, too. It, like, almost looks better in first person. Which, I mean, you know, I realize that's just me. I quite like first person. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Wow. That's incredible. And what's his engine speed? Look at how low that engine speed is. Oh. And he glitch welded 2 engines together. So he's got 2 engines like that. Wow. Oh. Wow. Dude, I really have to applaud everyone on this. On every single one of these creations. This was the most awesome batch of creations I've seen in such a long time. Okay. Well, I do suppose I have to end. Hopefully on a good note. So, this was Grassy's Town. And this is the end of the video. What the hell? What the hell is this? What is this? It's been sitting at the bottom of my screen. This is not a good note. What is this? Wom, 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 wom. What the heck? Oh. I can't believe that happened. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Oh, can't believe that happened.